Hey guys, it's Maria with WTI, and this face wash right here is on another level.
The first thing my husband does is wet his face very thoroughly. Then he takes the wash, puts a little bit in his hand, then he makes it foam up and rubs it in. He does small circles and really makes sure he gets in his beard really good and his cheeks, and then he goes up to his forehead, which needs a little bit less of the wash. Afterwards, he takes that same washcloth, wets it again, and really gets all of the soap off. He has told me that it feels really good and it leaves his skin looking really nice, clear. You can really see that caramel skin shine.
So if you are looking for a face wash that keeps your face feeling really nice and clean and smooth, I would highly recommend this product. My husband loves it. He always talks about how much he loves this product. He uses it very often and he always tells me how good it is. I might even try it myself. So I love this for my husband, and that's my point of view.